What's good with y'all? It's your boy John Smooth, and this is the truth on mythology. Right here it says the collection of sacred tales, myths belonging to a specific culture which explain natural phenomena, world history, religious beliefs, often featuring gods, goddesses, and heroic figures. These such as Greek, Norse, or Egyptian traditions serve to explain the world's origins, social customs, and spiritual truths. So it says key characteristics of mythology: cultural significance, supernatural elements, symbolic explanations. All right, so mythology, beings that would have immense power or have power that is directly connected with nature. These beings, right, would have good intentions. They would be advancing, evolutionizing through helping other life grow, guiding other life to fruit, guiding animals to guiding herds of animals. And then when a couple of animals in the herd, or if one animal in the herd decides to eat fruit, that being would help beings to fruit. And this is just like the basic root of evolution, helping other beings. And some beings help life, nature, so much that nature blessed them with immense power to be able to defend nature, protect nature. And this is what mythology stems from. They try to rewrite mythology by saying like, oh, carnivores or vampires, but this is BS. These people don't have anywhere near the strength, capability that ancient beings that had powers directly connected to nature have and had, right? And these beings would be having good intents for all life if having these powers, right? And going back to the point of like how they modernly tell us what symbology is, like, oh, they're carnivores, or like they conduct themselves like the celebrities and politicians do today, but that is not how you get power. These people do not know how to get power righteously. You get power by helping other life grow, helping other life forms, nature grow, helping plants grow. And yeah, you know what I'm saying? Like, some of these beings would just do so much good works. They would be blessed by nature naturally. So like all these powers gained artificially through like fossil fuel like capabilities or technologies of like burning other metals and oils and things that belong in the ground, like eventually these things will return to source. Like all of these fake gods are like posing as power, taking all the minerals, oils, metals out of the ground for evil uses, when these metals, oils, minerals belong in the ground to have a healthy ecosystem, to have a healthy way of life, really. And yeah, it's your boy John Smooth. That's the truth on mythology, explained. And yeah, it's your boy John Smooth, and I'm out. Peace, love, light, understanding. Share, like, subscribe. Because a lot of people look into mythology and looking for answers, and they're not guided to the right path. So share this out. Share it to people sharing knowledge so they can share off of this knowledge, and we can all build. But yeah, it's your boy John Smooth, Mythology explained, exposed, contrasted. And let's get back on the right track when it comes to talking about mythology or anything like that. You don't get power by taking advantage of other life. You get power by helping other life, and it's as simple as that. And yeah, so like all of these people that are trying to get power through putting humanity in a vulnerable state, having us work to get minerals, metals, oils out of the ground, they're literally on the journey to perish, and they don't deserve to get power from humanity, putting us in a fear state. Right? So it's your boy John Smooth. Power comes through helping other life. And those people that gain temporary, short-lasting power that doesn't last, right? They will perish because it's unsustainable, like running on unsustainable technologies, right? And their soul is basically like being burned out with all of the ill practices that they practice. So in order to grow, you have to have positive practices, positive hobbies. They have these hobbies where they're taking advantage of other life, and they're on the journey to perish. And yeah, it's your boy John Smooth. That's it for the video. Mythology explained. Peace.